The Soprano ukulele is coming together really well. The next thing I need to do is drill the holes for my tuning machines and clean up this headstock a little bit. Once that's done, it'll be ready for coat to finish. Now that I have everything marked out for the locations of the tuning machine holes, I'm going to go ahead and drill those out. It's actually a three-step process. First, I'm going to drill a pilot hole, and then I'm going to come in from one side, drill about halfway, turn around, and come in from the other side to drill about halfway. That should, in theory, reduce my tear out. Let's get to it. I actually drilled this out at two different diameters. I used a 5/16 inch bit from the top so I can fit these collets in place. They're just a hair over 5/16, so with a little bit of pressure, that'll fit in there nicely. My tuning machines only have 1/4 inch shank. So from the back, I came in with a 1/4 inch bit, and that should give me plenty of room to play. So that's going to be it for the headstock on the Soprano ukulele. I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. A little bit more sanding, and it'll be ready for some finish. Thanks for joining me.